Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to Ln of arctan 2x. So if I do first derivative, we have like this. So we know that if we do first derivative of this one, arctan of 2x, I will put this one gone here. Later that we need to do first derivative in here. And we know that first derivative of arctan 2x, we have 1 plus 2x everything to the power of 2. And later that we continue doing first derivative of 2x. And this one we have number 2. This one we have 4x squared. So if we look carefully, we don't have number 2 in here. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u with the power number 4. Dx over this one, we need to transform into this one. And now we have the formula in here. So we put number 4 gone here. So 4 plus 1 we have number 5. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.